Okay, I purchased these, which said that they do not melt. I purchased 3 bags, and I tried one just to make sure. I wanted to see if it indeed did what it was said it was going to do before I put all 3 in. And it was a cold night last night, so I ran the fireplace, and the advertisement says that they do not melt. This is the part that was over the actual heating element. So I don't know if this is worth at all the problems that it may cause if it burns, melts to the heating element. And although it's beautiful and it looks gorgeous when it's burning, the advertisements are not correct. It will indeed melt. So, warning to everyone. Now I have 3 bags. Not quite sure. Yeah, this is awful. I don't think it's going, the beauty is worth the cost it's going to cost me if it melts to the heating element and I have to get it replaced. So buyers beware. Yep.
Hi guys, I'm just here doing a quick unboxing video for the Stanbroil 10 pounds of fire glass that I just opened within the hour. I just put them in my propane fire pit that I actually got from another retailer to replace these ugly little mud rocks that came with it originally. Didn't like the color, but I left some of them on the bottom just to give volume, and I put these on top, and I really love the look so far. I don't know about the durability or the usage of them because it's 90 degrees today in beautiful Georgia and it's hot, so a fire is not necessary. But as soon as I get to, I will repost or update my review just to see what's going on. So far so good. Just the look of it itself is beautiful. Wonderful contrast once again. Easy to open. They come in a double line bag. Just cut, put in the pit, and just assemble or arrange the way you want. Excuse me. So once again, once I get a chance to use these rocks and light a fire, I will update this review. In the meantime, everyone have a great Memorial Day, you guys.
some glass in there. I have to keep the round circle thing open and that. But I think it's pretty glass.